You're in Teams and you want to start your new assignment. So you move over for the top ribbon. You're in Assignments and you want to create your next assignment. You open a folder where you can see an old plan that you've used before. You skim through the lesson plan. You check the resources, the PowerPoint. You check the other resources. And now that you've got a pretty good idea of what you want to do, you go to your OneNote classbook. Once I am in my notebook, I check that I'm using the teacher space, that I'm in the summer term, that I'm focusing on English, I'm working for week 1, and I'm working on Tuesday. The first thing to add is the title, so I add the day of the week, the date, the title of the lesson, and the subject that I'm going to use. First, I'm going to put the aims and success criteria. I want it to be Heading, so I just go to Styles and click on Heading 1. Now I want to insert an image of the aims and success criteria. I go to the folder where it is, I open it up, and I am going to use Screen Snip to capture that picture. I'm going to select the picture. I'm going back to my OneNote and I'm going to paste it. Now I want to make my first instruction. I want to put it as a heading 1 because I want it big. In OneNote, you can insert the PowerPoint in a page so that students don't have to open another app to view it. You go to Insert, File, you choose the file you want to add, click Open, then you can upload it to OneDrive and insert the link, insert as attachment, and insert as printout. We want to upload it and insert the link so that we can view it there. Your student will be able to watch through the slides and take notes at the same time. You want to make this instruction clear, so you create a space for him to take notes. For the next activity, you want him to watch a YouTube video on spiders. But first you have to create a title. Once you've chosen your video, you just have to go to YouTube, copy the link, get back to OneNote, paste your link, and OneNote will embed it there. You want to leave a clear instruction for your students to take notes. This way they can take notes at the same time as they're watching the video. For the third activity, you want them to make a Spiders of the World gallery. They first are going to find photos of spiders on the internet and then add them to the table, which you can do easily in OneNote. Now that they've collected some information, they are ready to do the research map. So you leave the instruction for that. You are now going to add the second part of the PowerPoint where it explains how to do a research map. File, select it, open, upload, and insert link. Now your students can see an example of the layout of a research map. They can see a model of the research map and they can start doing it after that. So you're going to have to put the second instruction. So now they have to do the research map. They can do it here, they can actually print it or draw it on paper. Now you need to insert the research map file. You go to Files, you select your file, you click Open. This time we're not going to upload the link, we're going to insert it as a printout. OneNote has put the PDF file there so that students can actually print it if they need to. If students have done their work on a printed sheet or on their notebooks, they're going to have to take a photo of their work and put it here. They have finished their main activity, so we can move on to a plenary where we can do a quiz. Quizzes can be done in Microsoft Forms, which is embedded in OneNote. You can start a new form or a new quiz. In this case, we have done it already and we just need to insert a Spider Facts quiz. The quiz is embedded in the OneNote page. You just might want to make it a little bit smaller to make it more manageable. Once students have finished the quiz, they can check out the aims and success criteria at the top of the page and then end in their work and teams assignments. Now that we have finished our assignment, we are ready to create it in Teams so that we can send it to all students. Now, once you're in assignments, you're going to create a new assignment. First, you're going to do the title. You copy the title from OneNote page and you paste it here. Then you don't need instructions because they're all in the OneNote page, so you're going to add resources. Here, you're going to open Class Notebook. You're going to the teacher space. You're going to summer term. You are doing an assignment in reading, and it's located in week 1. And this is the assignment we've been working on. You're going to attach it. Now you're going to choose a student section in your class page notebook where you want to copy this page to, which is English, and it's done. You don't need to add any further resources because they are all in the OneNote page. You can add some points. You are going to assign it to your Year 4A class. You're going to send it to all your students. You're going to send it for the Tuesday the 21st, and you're going to put 18 hours as the time due, and then you can save it for later or assign it. Now, once you assign it, all your students will be notified.